If you enter this Ramadan the same year you entered it last year, you're just wasting it. This Ramadan, we have to do better. Not because people expect it, not because it looks good online or like for the eyes for the people, but because Allah deserves actually better from us. Like last year we said we would change, we said we would pray on time, and also we said we would leave the sins that were actually destroying us. And also we said we would open the Quran more than our phones. You remember? But somewhere along the way, we slipped actually. We got distracted. We let the dunya pull us back again in the same habits and the same routines we begged Allah to free us from. But listen carefully, I got good news for you. Allah brought you another Ramadan, another chance and another door and another path back to Him, right? Do you know what it actually means? It means He hasn't given up on you already. You get me? He still loves you. It means He still wants to forgive you. And it means He still sees something in you worth saving, right? So this Ramadan, do better. We have to do better this Ramadan. Pray like you're standing in front of Allah. Fast like your soul depends on it. And also read the Quran like it's the last Ramadan you'll ever see. Because trust me, one day it will be your last Ramadan. Ramadan is not a tradition. And it's not a routine. It's a lifeline. It's a mercy and a chance to rewrite your own story. So don't waste it. Don't sleep on it. Don't let it pass like every other year. This Ramadan, be the Muslim you always wanted to be.